Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the lime and Windrose. First of all, you'll need to be in the foothills biome, which is unlocked by killing the local threat in the coastal jungle biome. Once you've found an island with a foothills biome on it, nextly you want to find this giant tree. These trees are all around the foothills biome, and under them there are lime trees, which you can go ahead and go near them and click E to pick them up. This is going to give you some lime seeds and lime, and the lime seeds can be planted on the ground near your base for more safer farming. So this is how you get lime and Windrose. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.